This truck's a little bit louder than the Toyota. What's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Jason coming to you live from the new ride, the new daily, the replacement for the Toyota that got totaled. Hope you guys have been doing well. I've been doing all right. Can't complain. We're gonna get right into it. We're heading straight to the car wash because this thing is dirty and I don't want to show it to you like this. We haven't had her long, but she needs a bath. So let's go take care of that right now. See you in a few. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the little laser wash that I generally go to was closed today for some reason. So here we are at this neon light show of a car wash. But here we go. Yeah, I do not like these type of car washes. The Subaru or GTI would never come through one of these. But this is just a daily, so, and it was dirty, so fuck it. They put all the salt on the roads recently and whatnot, so I figure we get that cleaned off. Well, damn. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's leaking right there inside. Oh shit, this is not good. I repeat, this is not good. Okay guys, we went through that craziness. Found out that was leaking. Not cool. Something we'll have to address. Anyway, I'm gonna hop out, vacuum this thing out real quick. I know nobody wants to watch that, so the next time you'll see me, we will be somewhere where we can actually take a look at this thing outside. So stay patient, wait with me just a few, and we'll be there. Okay guys, we made it to the spot. Time for you to see the cheapest full-size truck in America. And there she is. This is my 2004 Ford F-150 FX4. It's four-wheel drive, it's bright as hell, but I got a great deal on her. She has 170,000 miles, and the legendary spark plug spitting 5.4 liter Triton. Pros to the truck. The truck does come with paperwork stating that the water pump and timing belt and all that was done within the last year. Also has good tires, and the interior is mostly intact. So for it being 20 years old, can't complain. Now, what did I pay for the cheapest full-size truck in America, you may ask? I paid a whopping $1,500. That's right, $1,500 for a full-size truck. I couldn't believe it when I come across it. But with every good deal does come drawbacks. And there's drawbacks to this truck, like the rust issue. Yes, this truck is from Pennsylvania, so she rusty and crusty. I've named her the Chum Bucket. But everybody at work calls it the Dolemobile, because, you know, it's a fucking rolling banana. But for $1,500, we're gonna ride around in this banana. Okay guys, now that you've been introduced to the Chum Bucket, it's time to go give this old girl an oil change, because she's past due. We're going to try to beat the daylight, so wish us luck. See you in a bit. This truck's a little bit louder than the Toyota. Had to give a little gas through the tunnel. Yeah, I know. The oil pressure gauge is stuck. That'll be another one of the cons to the truck. We'll have to address that soon. Don't you guys worry. We're going to take care of it. Okay guys, we're home, and as I like to call it, time to play musical cars. So, hang on.
The next morning.
Okay guys, it's the next day. We got the oil change completed last night, and I'm gonna tell you what, whoever put that oil filter on was either the Hulk, they used the impact, or they were having a really bad day that day and said fuck whoever was next, because it took me over 30 minutes to get that daggone oil filter off. If you've ever changed oil on a Triton motor, you already know it's on the front of the block at a 45-degree angle, which is stupid. So it was already not the greatest place, not the worst one I've ever done. But like I said, whoever put that thing on did it with the strength of the law on their side. And it was a pain in the ass. But we finally got it. Oil's changed, got trash loaded up, gonna take that mess off. But before we do that, we're gonna try to make this feel a little bit more like our truck. Put a little of our character in there. I don't know if you guys are a fan of Friends, but I am. And one of my favorite episodes, Pivot. So that's all I got for you guys in this episode. I hope you like my $1,500 cheapest truck in America video. I know it was a little all over the place, but I just wanted you guys to see what I was able to come up with after having my wonderful little Toyota truck totaled. But me and the chum bucket are gonna go to the dump. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel, because your boy's gonna be posting a lot. Cause my homie Carson finally got the parts for his RX-7, and he's getting it out of the shop, and he said I could borrow the shop to start working on the Subaru. So you guys stay tuned for that. Until next time, peace.